With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, the given problem is the 8:8 type of packing is present in which of the following is correct. So first we write all the example which consist 8:8 type of packing. So here we write all the type of examples which contain this. So this is CSBR, CSI, TLBR, TLI, and majorly CSCL. Now the CSCL, these are the following examples. So first we write and note down this thing. This is a very important part. So in CSCL type of structure, what is the unit cell type of unit cell in CSCL? Here we consider this CSCL. Which type of structure? This is a BCC type of packing in this. So here BCC consists, that means Z is equals to 2, which is the rank. Now what is the coordination number? The coordination number of CS plus ion, and what is the coordination number of, we can say, Cl minus. So what is the this values? This is value is equals to 8 and this value is equals to 8. We take a 3D type of structure and then we can see that this CSCL in coordination number 8 and also Cl minus is equals to 8. So that's why the answer of the problem is what? CSCL is the correct answer. So which of the following option is correct? The option B is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.